In front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G57 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Notifications right away. Then select App Notifications at the top. And before doing anything, hit Most Recent to pick one of those options. Sort your apps to see ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps on your Motorola, or only apps with notifications already disabled. Wherever you decided when you finished, use green switchers next to your apps to block notifications from them, or gray ones to switch them back on. Quick tip, you can also click on any app on the left, and this way not only block or unblock notifications, but also check out all of those options only for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!